Nice. Jump, jump. Jump to the water, jump. Oh. So ito nga mga ka-Glen Apps. We are here at Coconut Village. So we're going to ride this coconut boat inside here. You see the my background there. So dyan tayo sasakay, paikot-ikot ng kanilang coconut boat. Yeah, the boat, coconut boat. So sige, pasyal tayo. This is it. Oh. Parang nipahat lang. Tapos may river dyan sa gitna. So let's go here. Let's go here. I'll show you here pala. Oh, this is what gonna happen later. Like this, oh. See? Yan, for 2 to 3 persons. That's 25 to 30 dong. Alright. Few coconuts lang. But this one, sasak. Nagawang nipa o pawid. Yan yun. Mag-ride kami dyan. Okay. So how long? How long? How long is that? 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. So ito na nga. Kita niyo yan. Auntie. Hello. We are at this, you know, what do you call this one? Coconut boat daw. Which is, it's not a coconut. That's nipa.
It's nipa hat.
Nipa. Yung ginagawang pawid o bubong. But anyway, that's they call it here. Ayan na sila. Oh. Go, ayan na. Oh, see? Mga turista, lahat mga Pinoy. Yeah. Ayan, no? Oh. Okay. Exhibition si Kuya, oh. Oh. That's it? Finish? Oh. All right. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, yan na yung aming kasama. Oh, nagpa-party na here. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Tatang. Yeah. Let's go, Tatang. Go, Tatang, go. Hey. Oh, nice. Jump, jump. Jump to the water, jump. Oh. Yeah. Naman tita, nag-enjoy ba kayo dyan? Oh. Pwede? Oh. Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, meron pang paano yan. May pa-concert pa si Androngot. Si Androngot ng Danang. Ayan, magtitip ka sa kanya ng 100 pesos. Na-accept na actually ng 100 pesos. Yeah. Okay, clap your hands together. Come on, auntie. Yeah. Alright.
Thật.
Koi fish. Ayan.